Mimmi again, and now here to answer the very frequent questions I get. What is a marketing generalist and what is a fractional CMO? So ever heard of marketing generalist? They're not the one that are buried in one channel. They are the ones connecting all the dots. And when that generalist steps into a fractional CMO role, they will bring strategy, speed, and clarity to your growing business needs. They see across brand content and demand generation. They adapt fast across industries. They lead without a full-time cost. And here are some numbers that might be interesting. 80% of companies say that they see faster results, and nearly 90% feel more agile when using a fractional CMO. So if your marketing feels fragmented, it's time for a generalist touch. Read my blog, What is a Marketing Generalist, especially as a fractional CMO, at CMOs.com. And it's bye from here.